This is like basically the Kim Kardashian of ants right here. Hey guys, day 2 here in Oaxaca, and this is like a very unassuming neighborhood. Not a place you typically would think has restaurants. It just looks like a complete residential area, but there's a little hidden gem here. It's called Ancestral Cocina Tradicional. It's this place where no oil is used in this cooking. Instead of oil, they use ashes. You never think, ashes. Let's check it out. I don't even know how to get there. Like, you're gonna have to like just climb over a fence. You get through that okay? All right. It's like someone's backyard. There's the restaurant. Whoa, look at this. Oh, this is amazing looking. It's actually pretty full right now. So what is the history behind this?
Dice que cuál es la historia detrás de esto.
Bueno, esto es cocina oaxaqueña.
This is Oaxaqueña cooking.
Cocinamos con leña. Es lo
We
que
cook with wood.
Wood, okay. By the way, this is Edgar, he owns this place. And he was telling me that this method doesn't have oil because back then, like, people didn't have oil. And so this is the method of cooking when there was no oil. So they use a special paste instead of oil. The white paste is some sort of cement. But anyway, that's the reason why it doesn't stick. It's really fascinating. Never seen something cooked like this before. So we're gonna go grab a table and get some of the food and see how it tastes. And they cook everything here from traditional Mexican foods, from tacos to scrambled eggs. So it's just like anything could be cooked on this. So I'm actually getting the eggs because Edgar said eggs is the most typical must-try dish here, cooked on this stove. I'm sitting down. The first thing that comes to the table is a very traditional hot chocolate. Gracias.
con agua.
And this is very typical. Beginning of breakfast, this is it. Hot chocolate with bread. And the bread is usually really crispy and airy. They're just kind of asking to be dunked. You gotta try the chocolate here in Oaxaca. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Gracias, thank you. This is a beautiful Mexican breakfast. Beans, pico de gallo, and huevo acamel, which is these fried eggs right on top of that greaseless pan. And they serve it with a side of this little herb called a cepiche, which is kind of tasting like a cross between a chive and a mint. It's really, really minty. Of course, you eat it with a side of freshly made tortillas. Again, also made from that pan. Ooh, smell that corn flavor. Take your tortilla, grab some of the eggs. That's some colorful breakfast. fried eggs, pico de gallo, beans. Seemingly simple ingredients, taste absolutely wondrous. And you can eat the leaf that's on the bottom of these eggs. But seriously, put these things together. Every bite, you get that awesome char and corn flavor from the tortilla. Add all the condiments together and a little bit of this herb. Like I said, transformative. You'll never call eggs boring again after you had this plate. And also, it's not greasy, right? There's no oil used. I mean, this is actually really healthy for you. Gotta come here and try this. I kid you not. This is absolutely amazing. This is crazy. Check this out. This is chicken empanada with green mole. You can see the same saint leaving here, shredded chicken, and this is the green mole. And inside the mole, you can taste the cilantro, the parsley, hint of garlic and onions, and some jalapeno. It tastes like aromatic pureed spinach. Oh my God. This thing is so soft. This is awesome. Everything from the toasty tortilla to that creamy herby mole to the tender delicious chicken and cheese. This is a very mild quesadilla. It's so soothing. This is about as fresh, as healthy, as delicious of a quesadilla you can find. It's all sourced locally, super fresh, and it's made into this amazing mole. All right, this next triangle looking tortilla is called a tidela. And gotta channel my inner frog here. It's stuffed with crickets. I thought my cricket eating days were over, but they said this is something I gotta try. Some people might love this. It's limey and it's pretty meaty, and you know, I do need my daily protein, so just gotta get past that mental image here. This tidela has obviously stuffed with crickets, bean paste. There's saint leaf in here as well. Yeah, I'm dousing this thing with salsa. And it's really hard not to think about it when I got a cricket butt staring up at me. But if you don't think about it, it doesn't taste that bad. You taste a lot of the cheese, the crispy tortilla, and you taste like something meaty. You're like, what is that that's meaty? If you don't know it's crickets, you probably wouldn't guess it's crickets. So it doesn't taste bad. It's more like a psychological thing. Yep. Definitely some cricket licks stuck between my teeth. Oh. This dish is called mole coloradito. This is basically red mole enchilada with cheese, some veggies on top. And I'm happy to report, personally happy to report, it's chicken inside. No more crickets. Oh, muy bien. It's so good. Oaxaca is like the epicenter of great mole. And this thing is slightly sweet. And black mole is really the only ones with chocolate inside. It's slightly spicy. It's nutty. I think there's some almonds in here. Anyway, this dish is called chicatana. Ribs in the sauce, ant sauce. And on the top, there's some radish and purslane, which is an edible weed that's used a lot in Latin America. And the sauce tastes really roasty. You can taste the chilies in here. You can taste a little bit of the tomatoes, and the rest is just ants. The sauce actually tastes pretty good. A little spicy, a little sweet. I mean, you would never guess like ants are ground up in here. So this thing has tons of protein. It's good for you. I think I'm a fant. Get it? I'm a fant. And this is the chicatana. It kind of reminds me, actually, it might be the same ants I had in Peru with the big bellies. It's pretty funny. I just learned that they only catch the female ants because they got a bigger butt. This is like basically the Kim Kardashian of ants right here. And this is what they specifically eat around this region.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide, hide with me, hide with
green volcanic stones, naturally green. Downtown Oaxaca. By the way, even though the forecast says it's about 60 degrees right now, it feels like it's 80. I think the heat is just getting trapped in the ground. They're making these little rugs and dress. It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. How do I look? All right, we've been looking for this lady supposed to make the best mole in Oaxaca, but she closed down. So now we're going to restaurants that some local friends recommended. 6 or 7 different types of mole. Let's go try it out. Fresh mole, just made. Whew. Gracias. Yeah, muy bien. That's some smoky, peppery flavor in there. Ooh, ooh, that just hit me right here too. That's good. Gracias, gracias. And that's not even the hardest mole. The dark mole has to cook all day. So this took about a good hour. My mole is coming, and I have on the table some ingredients that the mole is made from. All right, we got 7 different types of mole here. It's so complex. Luckily, Victoria here is gonna help me, guide me through. Victoria's father actually owns this restaurant, so you grew up with mole.
Yeah, of course. I love mole. I work at the kitchen. He works there. My mom works there. It's like a tradition.
How long have you guys been cooking, making mole?
35 years.
35 years.
Yeah.
So you know how to make this stuff.
Yeah, I know. I help sometimes.
Okay.
I'm not the teacher here because there are better cookers, but I know them.
So this restaurant is one of the only ones that offer like this many types of mole.
Yes, the
Right.
only one here.
Why?
Because almost all the restaurants want to specialize in one of 2 types of mole because they want to be the best at it.
Yes.
But here we decide we want to be the best ones in all types of mole.
How do you typically eat mole? You usually eat it with tortillas or rice?
We use tortillas, sometimes rice. It changes.
Yeah?
Because you can eat it just like that.
Yeah.
We usually use a spoon because we want to eat it all.
Okay. So let's just start from the first one. What are we eating here?
This one is chichilo.
Chichilo. Okay. Do we need a
This-
plate or do we just eat it from
You
here?
eat it from here.
Just eat it from here?
Yes.
Oh, good. All right. You go ahead. I'll follow your lead.
Okay, this one has roasted tortilla.
Uh-huh.
It has chihuacle, that is a type of chile.
Uh-huh.
Also, it has pork, also beef, chayote.
Go ahead. What do?
You go like this.
You just pick it up.
Yes.
Like with your hands.
Yes.
Ooh, that's a nice piece of pork you got there.
Yep. This is how people do it here. You just eat.
You just take the tortilla, put it in,
Yes.
and you eat.
Sometimes you can.
Thank you.
Okay, you can use sometimes the fork. You can use sometimes the spoon, but this is the typical way to eat it.
So basically, it's not like a sit down, be all like very neat. It's
No, no, no. You just eat.
you just eat. Oh, this is great. A little spice,
Yeah.
very rich, very earthy.
This
oh,
one
spicy.
is my favorite.
That one's your favorite?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
we're
the green
making our
one.
way there.
This is the yellow one.
The yellow one. Okay. I like the little tortilla holder, so you just bring it up. You
Okay.
got one here. Have
Oh,
a
thank
tortilla.
you.
All right.
This one
Yep.
has beef, yellow chile. You see it this way.
Okay. Take this in half.
And
just
you bring-
grab.
Yes.
Very hands-on.
A little one.
A little one. I need my fork to help me a little bit. It's a big piece of meat.
This is one is only beef. This is a little bit more spicy.
I feel that. I like this.
This is a chili torado. It's a compliment.
Okay. Yeah. Go for it. Never say no to chili. Let's
This
do
is
it.
one, is the green one.
This is your favorite.
Yes.
Okay.
It has a part of the pork that is called espinazo.
Yeah, this looks like oxtail.
Yeah, it's the tail of the
Yep.
pork. You need to use this.
Okay.
We use in this one cilantro, white beans.
White beans, yeah.
We use also holy herb.
The sink
yeah.
herb, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's very common here
Yeah, it
actually.
is.
It grows in the streets.
In the streets,
Yes.
I had that first time this morning, so I just got acquainted with the
Yeah.
holy of all herbs, apparently. This is probably the most aromatic.
Yes,
More
because
herby
it has
of it
all the
all.
green.
Yeah.
You also have to eat it with this
Oh, okay.
because it doesn't have natural chili, so you have
So
to
you
put
need
it.
some additional spiciness. I would definitely want some spices, extra spicy,
I
heat
don't
it up
know.
a little bit.
I don't like spice. I'm a disgrace from my own race. It's like I'm Mexican. I mean, I can eat it, but it's not my favorite thing on it.
Okay.
Usually the meat is very good.
Eat the meat.
Yeah.
Nice tender oxtail. There's some marrow in here too. Do you like eating mole with meat or without?
Meat. I mean,
Meat.
I can also eat it without.
Yeah.
But I rather eat it with meat.
Because like in each one of these, there's only a couple pieces of meat, right?
It depends.
Yeah.
You can ask for more meat or.
So I'm just saying, if I'm sitting with my family, and I'm like, there's only 2 pieces of meat in there, I'm fighting people for the meat.
No, of
That's
course.
mine. That's my oxtail.
No, you need meat.
You need the meat. Yes.
Yes.
I love this country. We got the black mole.
This is the most common in Oaxaca.
Mm-hmm.
I think you can find it in almost all restaurants here.
This smells very like chocolatey.
Yeah,
Right?
it's because it has chocolate and berry types of chili. It's kind of sweet.
Yes.
It comes with chicken. It's
This
the
is-
most common.
This is my favorite type of mole.
Yeah,
It's absolutely
the
my
most
favorite type.
traditional.
I love it. Oh, holy moly, that's good.
This is the mother of the moles. Like
Mother
all
of mole,
say.
queen of moles. Bow down. So one mole to rule them all.
Of course.
If I
All the
ra-
people need a king.
Yeah, if we raise it up, there should be sunlight. Bow down, other mole. I just find this mole has such an intoxicating taste.
Like we also use it for the roasted tortilla. Yeah,
Oh!
it has mole in it.
Whoa, so this is like a mole covered tortilla chip.
Yeah, it's with dark corn. It's a little bit different of the other. It's more traditional.
I really like this.
Yes.
This is awesome for me.
This is like the twin ugly brother of the black mole.
Okay.
It is made almost in the same way, but the chili is different. Chile ancho colorado.
So there's chocolate in there too?
Yes, he's the ugly twin brother that nobody wants.
Ugly twin brother?
This one is special.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
the black mole.
Yeah.
It's the king. And this is like, oh, there you are.
Oh.
Almost the same,
Oh,
but
okay.
not the same.
Okay. I like it. Is this spicier?
Yeah,
It's
a little
spicier,
bit.
right?
Because the chili is different.
Okay, what's this?
Okay, this one is called alcaparado, and it's because it has capers.
Oh, capers. Okay, great.
Yeah, and this has a tongue of beef.
Tongue?
Yes, we use
Yes,
tongue.
okay. It's very tomatoey.
Mild tomato is a type of tomato. A little one green,
It's citrusy, it's slightly sweet.
a little bit, yes.
There's no spice to this, really.
No, it doesn't have chili.
So you probably like this.
Nah, I stay with the green one.
All right, last one.
This is the upholstered mole. It has chicken on it,
Chicken, yep.
tomatoes.
I have to eat it with what?
jalapenos.
Jalapeno?
Yes.
Oh, gladly.
So what do you think about this one?
I feel like it's a little more tomatoey.
Yes, it is.
I feel like the heat is not.
Water chili is not very strong.
Okay. This is probably the most tomatoey
Yes.
base I've had. I think my favorite, I still like the black mole.
Which one is your top three?
Top three, like this. I like this too because I just like that chocolatey flavor of mole. I think then that one.
Oh, so you like chichilo?
Yeah, I do. Is this your favorite Mexican food item?
Of course, it is.
Yeah? And it's very unique here in Oaxaca.
Yeah, actually, these are the 7 representatives of here, but there are many others.
Many, dozens of mole flavors.
Yeah.
So mole is your favorite food?
Yes, it is.
You love it?
Yes, of course.
Do you love it mo-heartedly? Like, mo-heartedly?
I mean-
Mo-heartedly?
I understand, but I mean, I love mole, but no more than my family or my dog.
Stupid joke. Thanks. You know,
Don't
wholeheartedly.
don't worry.
So thanks for showing me all the mole and eating with me so I don't have to eat it, you know, malone. Is that bad? Malone? Mole? I don't know. Wait, how old are you?
I'm eating.
18, you cook in the kitchen.
Yes.
You can make all this stuff. You can take over the family business?
Yes, maybe.
Good job. All right, good job.
Without no talking, you know just where my heart is. We don't need no words, you get me.
Last food item of the day. It's always around this time, it's about to rain, so we eat up, go back home before the rain comes. But this place right here, been around for like 30 some years. And their specialty here is quesadilla, but without the tortilla. How's that even work? It's just like meat and cheese. I don't know, let's figure this out here. This is exactly what I thought. It's just grilled cheese and meat. Oh my good God. This is amazing. You're gonna need some lime juice for sure on this baby. So you can basically eat it like this, or you can wrap it in a tortilla. If you look at this, this is like grilled cheese with meat. So it's grilled cheese with just the amount of pork and beef and onions. This, you can wrap it in a quesadilla if you want, if you choose to. This is the sauce that he warned me about. Mucho spicy. That would be one of the most satisfying bites you can take. I mean, ain't nothing subtle about this. This is just like in your face, mountain of cheese and meat and seasoning. I gotta make another one. Amazingly charred, fresh, stretchy, chewy cheese. This is a date for 1 month and ask you to marry him kind of bite. Ah, powerful. Let's get another one. Muchas gracias. Awesome. This is a great final meal of the day. If you don't feel completely satisfied after eating this, I really can't help you. That was a satisfying bite. Perfect way to end the day. What a fun day. Getting to taste all sorts of different types of mole, walk around downtown Oaxaca, and ending it all with a mouthful of grilled cheese. Doesn't get better than that here in Oaxaca. All right, guys, all the places went to is listed down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again, see you later.